Okay, so Ginny Lefto requested this, and so we're gonna be doing Helix ones. So yeah. Okay, so starting off, what the heck? Anyways, I need to correct my bird weird. Maybe. I mean, they all seem normal. What? Oh, okay. I was expecting that, but okay. Next one. What? 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 Okay, what? Why is why is Hinjin's nose so big? I can't with this one. Alright, now that we... what the heck? Anyways, sorry, music was playing in the back, and I don't know how, but we're going off, and why is it... oh my gosh. Bro. We're gonna, change it up. So yeah. Okay, bro. Okay, I can't with this one. This can't. Hey, well, it looks normal, except why is Hinjin's face like that? Okay, moving on, I guess. No. Why? What? Okay, what the heck? I can't. I just can't. No. What? Okay, that's crazy. That's really crazy. I'll move on to the next one now. Okay, next one. Whoa. Okay, well, that's something. And what? Oh my gosh. Alright, next. Oh my oh. Anyways, moving on. I don't think we're gonna move on anymore. It just gets weirder and weirder. It's getting so weird. Why is it getting weirder and weirder? Why? Why are you guys doing this to me? Stop doing this to me. Seriously. Why? Oh, wait. Why is literally? Why? Why? Why are people making this? Why? What? Oh no! Felix is pantless. Just shirtless. Because Felix has it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna. Oh my gosh. Moving on. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, it just got weirder. I'm not kidding, it just got weirder. It just got weirder. Why are y'all making this? Oh my gosh. You guys need to clear those minds. Why are you guys making that? I can't with this one. I can't. I can't. What? Whoa. Okay, moving on. I don't think we're moving on because this. Why is it getting so weird? Like, hello? What? I do not want to see this at 9:45 a.m. What? Okay, that's it for today. I'm sorry, but that's it for today. See you guys later.